27. What is going on, guys? So we are at Orlando Speed World. We are testing for Mod Motor Nationals.
It's 5:30.
It's 5:30 and I'm excited. The weather is the best we've ever ran the Bullitt in. So it's like 60 degrees, like 500 DA or maybe lower. It's gonna be even better up in Georgia, but I want to dial the car in for an 11.0. So it'd be cool if it ran a personal best today, but I really want to run 11.0 passes. We also have Ashley here. She came to the track.
I'm here.
And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. And is there anything you'd like to say?
I'm not driving, which I wish I could drive a car at the track.
Well, I mean, your car needs a little bit of suspension help, and you know, the springs are kind of a little floppy and need some suspension help, but you know.
We also can tell them the other thing.
Do you want to tell them?
We can tell them.
Okay, go for it.
So, I'm gonna make a video soon. One, talking about like really the details of the arrest in South Carolina, because Andrew went on like kind of like right away, and then when he was like upset and kind of spoke about it, and then I kind of very briefly touched on it in the video that I made, because that wasn't the purpose of the video. But I'm just gonna tell like the whole story, because I feel like the whole story wasn't like told from beginning to end.
Yeah.
It was just like the emotions of it. And I'm also gonna talk about my lawyer and, you know, all the struggles that we went through. And I'm also gonna talk about how it got me banned from Airbnb, but that's not gonna be on this channel. That's gonna be on my new channel.
Yep.
Yay!
Which is Ash. So there's gonna be a link up there. And go ahead, click on it, subscribe.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a lot of really cool videos. It's not gonna be about cars necessarily. I mean, there could be some car stuff, but
yeah, it's just gonna be an everything channel, and we wanted to do it because Mustang lifestyle is really cool, but we know that we can only do Mustang content on this channel and car content on this channel.
Yeah.
And there's like so many other things that I've wanted to do, like those crazy trends where they like, you know, like review things, worst rated things, and like go to crazy
just
haunted
try a
places.
Bunch of different things out. And
yeah, I just want to like have so much fun and post all of it online. So go subscribe to me, to my new channel, and also go tell all the people that you know that maybe even aren't into cars, because it's not for cars. It's literally just to watch me possibly be stupid or not stupid, depending on the video.
Yeah,
and have fun.
We need to get to 1,000 subscribers. Like, was that our goal pretty much? Yeah,
we need to get to 1,000 subscribers in order for like the YouTube things to be like the official.
Yeah.
So, but we have like almost 100,000 people in here.
Yeah.
So you guys really disappoint me if we don't get to that.
So yeah, track video. I'm very excited to run this car. So enjoy. Went 146. Oh my god. Okay guys, the GoPro just failed me, but I need to get my reaction. The car just went 10.7 at 127. Oh my God. That was such a rushed pass. They just went 146 60 foot on a boat stock rear end. Oh my God, first pass off the trailer is a 10.7 at 127. Oh my God. It went 10.7 at 127.
Hell yeah.
That was such a rushed pass. Dude, it went 146 60. I had a coffee in my way. Dude, this thing kept like beeping every time I hit it, and then it just beep, beep, beep. So I didn't get the pass on here. Dude, that was so rushed though, like, because they're like, go, go, go.
I know, as soon as I pulled it, they're like, yo, put your helmet on. And I was like...
My temp was on C. So that's why I did a long burnout. I was like, let's get the temps up.
I thought I was going by myself. I didn't even know you were pulling up too. I was like...
Alright, GoPro's still running, so we should be good. On that, but it should still be okay. So we want to know what this car runs warmed up with some decent DA. Obviously it'll run a fantastic pass with some serious cool down time, or directly off the trailer, but we need to know if we're going to be able to run 11.0, 11.0, 11.0, or some sort of average of an 11.0. So we will see. Thank you. Damn, what the f? We still went 10.8. Well, this car is a solid 10-second car. We're gonna be in trouble in Georgia because we're gonna be going pretty freaking fast. Oh no, we went 10.9. That's actually perfect. So we went 10.9. So my guess is if we made another hot lap, we would probably go 11.0. So, yeah. All right. I'm fine with that. The Supra was actually making some more steam up top because he was pulling on me. I was all the way in it and he was pulling. But obviously we just did a run before and I ran a 127, so there's a little bit of heat soak kind of going on, but you know. All right, so we ran a 10.7 and a 10.9 pass. 10.7 was right off the trailer, perfectly cold, perfect, and the 10.9 was a little bit warmed up, and I think I slipped the clutch a little bit too much on the launch. But we are out here to test for an 11.0 class. So that means we're actually wanting to target that 11.0. So the good thing about running the car cold is I know what it's going to run, you know, kind of a really good cool down pass. And then the second pass was kind of warmed up. So that's going to be what it's like after the True Street cruise, because we want to target an 11.0 average for this car. So the 10.9 is perfect. That means I could, you know, in theory in Georgia where it's going to be colder, where the car's going to go.
I was going to say, you shouldn't have recorded during the bikes.
When the car's going to be going faster, what was I saying? Well, the car's going to be going faster. in Georgia, so I'll go run it really fast past the first one and then kind of slow down a little bit on the 2 second ones. But this car is right there in that 11.0 index, and it's going to be really good if all the parts stay together. Yes, sir.
I just want to see another 10.7.
Yeah?
That's really all I want.
Dude, if it was cooled down and I made another pass, I think I could go 10.5. I mean, I was so rushed the first pass. The GoPro screwed up.
Hey, that's what we have to do. We just gotta rush you again.
Rush me.
Just rush you.
Dude, I didn't even think about shifting. It just happened.
Hey, sometimes things just happen.
Yeah. I drove out of it. It's probably 10.9 pass again, honestly. Clutch isn't slipping, so it's fine. Thank you. Consistent, that's for sure. That is a 10.9 at 126, a 1.5, it says 1.53 60 foot. That 1.46 felt baller, but hey, that's all right. That is not bad. So we're right there with this car warmed up. It's running a 10.9 pretty consistently with our current DA. So we're gonna be looking pretty good for the class. So if we ran a 10.9, a 10.9, and then we would just need to run like an 11.2 or something like that, that would average out to an 11.0. So we're looking pretty good.
Yeah! Get the out of here! Yeah, we got the testing in that we needed for the Bullitt. Ran a personal best of 10.7 at 127 with a personal best 60 foot of 1.46, and that's crazy. That's moving. So I am so happy with that. I can't wait to run the car at Mod Nationals this weekend.
We also no idea, and we're gonna prank him.
Yeah, we did that too. He's gonna freak out. So make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe if you are new, and also check out Ashley's channel.
Check out my channel. Well, there's not gonna be any videos on my channel at the time of this, but wait for the video to come out of me talking about the arrest, and then the second video, which is going to be part 2 to that, of how it got me banned from Airbnb. So go subscribe to it and turn the notifications on so that when I post things, you guys will get started. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to wait until I hit 1,000 subscribers to post anything.
We'll see.
We'll see, but get me to at least 1,000 and then I'll start posting. I'm really excited. We're gonna have a lot of fun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to me and Mustang Lifestyle, and we'll see you in the next one.
Hi.